Hey guys, I'm back here again, Chris from CNH Small Engine. I got another quick video here for you guys. I just wanted to do a, update for the Peltor Tactical Sport headphones right here, the electronic headphones right here. I purchased, I think I got these about 2.5, 3 years ago. I can't remember the exact date, but I had them for at least a good solid 2 years right now, and these things have been working absolutely great, guys. I do have the inserts, the upgraded inserts, these ones right here, the silicone or silicone inserts right here. So I did spend a little bit of money to get the upgrade insert for the actual headset. I bought these for originally, I think about 125, 130 bucks on eBay, brand new basically, and I also purchased the inserts as well too for another like 15, 20 bucks, and they work perfectly fine, guys. I just want to give you a quick update video on the thing, and they work fine. As one thing I do recommend is changing out the batteries on these things every single season out there. I got let me see here, I got what's that here, let me open the thing up on here. I got Energizer Lithium Max batteries in this one right here specifically for that, and I change them out every season over here because it's always a good idea to have a fresh set of batteries in these things out here, because you never know when your headset might go dead out there for that. So it's always a good idea to use good quality batteries in your headset out there. I was doing a comparison of my range up here this past week. I was comparing these ones, and I was comparing these cheap ones I got from what's it called, Gander Mine, but Gander Mine's out of business in my area. They're no longer available in my area because Gander Mine went out of business, and they changed their name to Gander Outdoors, so they closed some of the stores, and one of the stores in my area closed down. And I got these headsets back in about 2015, or it was late 2014, early 2015 for like 20, 25 bucks. And the only good feature about these ones is they have a higher sound rating as opposed to these ones right here. These ones will work perfectly fine for your AR-15, AK, Vepr 12, mosin and out there. However, if you want like total sound killing ability, I would recommend getting something like these that have the bigger cup shaped. I think they have like an NAR rating or something like that for like 30 or something like that, where these ones have a lower NRA rating. And so you got two options, two choices. You can get real cheap ones like this for about 25, 30 bucks, or you can pony up the cash and get a good pair of electronic headsets. However, the rating is slightly lower than the bigger cupped design right here for that. So if you want to get the best, the maximum sound reduction, get these ones for like a backup. And if you want something that's good for a typical range use out there, and it'll let you hear your environment while you're up there shooting as well too, because these things work perfectly fine. Hearing any kind of noise in your background, people walking around, people talking from like 15, 20 yards away out there, I would definitely recommend picking up one of the Peltor Tactical Sport models right here, as I have right here. The price has gone down. I think it's like about 115, 120 bucks. I think the price maybe went down about 10 or 15 bucks since I purchased mine, but these things are definitely a good buy if you want to get a good set of like entry-level electronic headsets out here, as I have right here, and also have the inserts as well too as a good upgrade for your ears, and have a nice felt protection around your ears. Cupping the ears a lot better than a typical vinyl ones they have like on this style right here for that, because these ones, they start heating up over time out there. I really don't like the feel, but the thing is they have a higher rating to kill a sound right here for that specifically as well. So if anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot about the 3M Peltor Tactical Sport right here, or the other cheapy ones I have right here, feel free to leave me a message, and I'll try to get back as quick as possible, some kind of answer to your basic question about either model here as well too, guys. I'll see you. Have a nice day.